We are halfway there, so we're hoping. And we're hoping. Yeah. Double dipper.
Good one.
Some alligators are chewing.
What day is it?
Disney Day, but it's early.
Hey, buddy. You ready to go to Disney? Huh? Come on, buddy. Eliza. Guess what?
What?
It's Disney Day.
Good.
Yay! Good morning. You ready to go see Mickey?
To Typhoon Lagoon first. So I want to go to, we went to Typhoon Lagoon first. That's the first water park we went to. And then we went to Blizzard Beach. So I want
You want to what?
to keep it in the same order like that.
Hey guys, it's Brandon and Allison with Fly Cat Vacations. We are on the road super early. We're heading to Disney to kick off our summer the right way. We just want to bring you along with our trip, and we think that hopefully we'll have a good time. We have a few fun things planned, and as always, like and subscribe to the channel if you want more content, and if you ever need help with planning vacations for Disney, we love helping families plan their trips and love everything Disney. See you soon.
All right, so we just went to, we made 2 stops. We went to the bathroom because we could not wait 30 more minutes. So that's part of road tripping with kids. Right, Eliza? And we just, what's wrong?
Right turn.
Oh, did you miss our turn? Okay,
Missed our turn there.
Brandon is driving now, so,
No, wait. I've already ran a stop sign and took a wrong turn.
So I may take the car back in just a second. We just went to Chick-fil-A, and we went to the drive-thru, and now we are halfway there. So we're hoping, to make it to Blizzard Beach before it rains. So, because we are coming in the summer, so of course it's going to rain in the afternoon for most days. So we are excited, right, Eliza?
We're gonna go to a hotel.
Yeah. So here we go. We're going to eat our Chick-fil-A over here. And in the car. And we're going to keep on going. We've made it halfway without pulling out our screens and tablets. So we are excited about that. So we'll see you soon. We'll see you when we get there. like to see more of our Blizzard Beach day, I will have a link below. You can check out our latest video on Blizzard Beach. Did y'all have fun at the water park?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, what was everybody's favorite thing today?
Double dippers.
My favorite part was being with Daddy.
Oh,
me too, girl.
That's so sweet, Lalo.
My favorite part was the like where you slide together and you go like this way and that way and this way and that way.
Laying down face first or head first?
No.
Slide together. You mean the raft?
Yeah, the raft.
Yeah, that was so fun.
Mine's the double dipper thing.
Double
That
dipper.
was a good one.
Is that the one with the tube?
And I have two favorite parts.
Cool. What's your other favorite
My
part?
other favorite part was the alligator chewing in the house.
In the lazy river?
Yeah.
Yes. So
That's cool.
cute.
It was like next to each other.
Yeah.
Yay!
Say it again, Eliza.
Going down right, going down right, going down right.
The what? You have to teach me how to make coffee. I didn't do.
Lexi.
I can't do Brian.
So I think it was after 6 when we finally got over to Port Orleans Riverside from the water park. And once we got all unpacked, got the car unloaded, settled in, we love to make sure that we get settled in and unpack and just kind of get our room set up for the week. That way we're ready to go to the parks the next day or whatever we're doing. We can just get into our vacation mode. So after that is when we decided to head over and have dinner at Port Orleans French Quarter, which is either a small little maybe 10-minute walk over, or you can also take the boat, which is what we did that day, and it takes about maybe 5-10 minutes on the boat. So it was actually very late after 8 when we were eating dinner that night. So the kids were so tired by the end, but they did great. They were still on that high of excitement for the beginning of the trip, but we really wanted some beignets, so we decided to head over to French Quarter that night for our dinner. And that is one great thing about this resort, is you have a lot of quick, you have both resorts quick service options.
flash on. Lighting.
Alright, ready for the beignets?
Ready.
Can you see them?
The beignets. Beignets. Oh my gosh.
We're wrapping up our arrival day on our this summer trip. We're at Port Orleans now, and kids are in bed finally, and we've gotten them cleaned up after our time at Blizzard Beach. And like you were saying,
Yes, we are doing a bathroom confessional right now because the kids are asleep over there behind the curtain. And we had a great time at Blizzard Beach. And we are tired. I think the kids are really tired. Max fell asleep in the stroller when we were eating dinner, and Eliza. And even though they wanted Mickey beignets, they still somehow fell asleep. So that means they were really tired. So I think we got back here around 5:30 or 6, and that's
to the
when
resort
we checked.
after.
Yeah, that's when we checked in here, and then we kind of tried to get settled, get our stuff out of the car. And then we didn't end up eating till 8 o'clock? I think?
It was late. No, closer to 9, I think.
Yeah,
9.
like 8:30, 9. Ooh, yeah. So it was super late when we went over to Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan? I don't know.
I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but we went over to the French Quarter and had dinner there, and then got Mickey beignets afterwards, which is like what we've been hoping and dreaming for. But we didn't get back here to our room until like 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
So, which is late for them.
10:30.
So yeah, we
Then
don't
we go
usually like do that late at night on the first night, but I think it was just such a cool day. I think we were having fun at Blizzard Beach, so we stayed there a while, and then it just took a little while to get unpacked. I think that's the first day, like getting unpacked and stuff can take a little while, getting settled in, but yeah, thanks so much for joining us today. And for our travel day, it was a good one, not too much happening crazy. I did lock us out of the room once, so that was a little, I went to grab the bags, and I had them right up to the door, and the door just kind of slipped and locked it. I didn't have my phone, I didn't have my car key, I didn't have anything to unlock the door. Brandon was already at the back of the car getting the rest of our stuff out, so I had to go back over there, and then his phone was dead, so because we'd used it so much, my phone was almost dead anyway, so we thankfully had one car charger, and we plugged it in real quick and got it charged enough so we didn't have to walk all the way back to the lobby. Yeah. So it all worked out, and we got back in our room, but we like this resort a lot. It is a very big resort, and there's a little bit of walking, so we're gonna see how my family really likes it. They're next door. but I don't know, I'm excited for the week to come, and hopefully we can get some good rest and some good fun and a mix of it all. So
good night.
Yeah, good night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we hope that you will join us for the rest of our adventure.